Now we're back to learning CSS. Let me show you the important rule. It's quickly explained. It's simply used to override values for properties. So if I create, for example, a div container, we just add example 1 here. Then I use CSS to give it a background color. And it's a good idea to change the color to white so that we have contrast. Now I give it a class of green. I select the class right here, dot green, curly brackets, and add the background color to green. This is going to override the blue background color. So our div container is now green. So classes in general override the values that are given to the element selector, and the order doesn't make a difference here. So if I put the class before the div container, the blue background color in the div container doesn't override it anymore. Well, we can use the important right here, exclamation mark, important rule to override that. As long as you don't make typos, it should run. So let me correct my typo here. And now it's blue again. So whatever hierarchy you have generally automatically in CSS, you can override that using important as an addition to your value. Let us add an ID. I'll make that red. Now I use an ID selector. By default, this should override even the classes. So if I make the background minus color red, it should now override the green and the blue background color. So you can see by default, it's ID before class, before element. And the order here doesn't make a difference. So if I rearrange that, we still have a red background color, but we can always use important here to make it green or make it blue. As I said, a simple principle, but it comes in handy and it's good to know. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.